Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do exercise number 2D, page number 16, question number 1. Write in expanded form. Children, explanation of the expanded form I have given you in the 10th video. You can have a look to that video so that you can understand the expanded form better. In short, I will explain you. Question number 1 is there and expanded form is given, and the part A is 3615. Part A is given. So we will write ones, tens, hundred and thousand starting from right hand side. 5 is at the ones place, 1 is at the tens place, 6 is at the hundred place, 3 is at the thousand place. So now we continue with the left hand side. 3 is at the thousand place, so we will write 3000 plus 600. 6 is at the hundreds place, so we will write 600 or 600. 1 is at the tens place, so we will write 110 or 10. 5 is at the ones place, so we will write 5 ones or 5. This is for the example. Now we have to do the B part. The B part is 6242. So we will write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay. 2 is at the ones place, 4 is at the tens place, 2 is at the hundred place, 6 is at the thousand place. So starting from the left hand side, we write 6000 or 6000. Okay. Plus 2 is at the hundreds place, so we will write 200. 4 is at the tens place, so we will write 4 tens or 40. 2 is at the ones place, so we will write 2 ones or 2. Okay. Similarly, we have to write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Up left hand, 8 is at the thousand place, so we write 8000 and 8000. 3 is at the hundreds place, so we will write 300 or 300. 7 is at the tens place, so we will write 7 tens or 70. 4 is at the ones place, so we will write 4 ones or 4. Okay. Similarly, the part D, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now 9 is at the thousand place, so we will write 9. Children, one thing, if you don't know how many zeros are there in thousand, so what you have to do, you have to write the digit 9, and how many digit are remaining after the digit 9? 3. अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि किसमें कितने ज़ीरोज़ लगने हैं, 1000 में, 100 में, तो आप क्या करेंगे, डिजिट लिख देंगे और उस डिजिट के बाद कितने नंबर हैं, 1 2 3 नंबर हैं, तो हम 3 ज़ीरोज़ लगा देंगे. ऐसे ही 100 में अगर नहीं पता है कितने ज़ीरो हैं, तो हम क्या करेंगे, 800 के लिए 8 लिखेंगे और 8 के बाद कितने ज़ीरो हैं, कितने डिजिट हैं, 2, तो हम 2 ज़ीरो लगा देंगे. चलिए, अब 1 टेंस प्लेस पे है, तो हम लिखेंगे 110 और 10. 2 वंस प्लेस पे है, तो हम लिखेंगे 2 वंस और 2. ऐसे ही वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड. 5000 प्लेस पे है, तो हम लिखेंगे 5 और यहाँ लिखेंगे 5000. ओके. 400 प्लेस पे है, तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे 400 और 400. 9 टेंस प्लेस पे है, तो हम लिखेंगे 9 टेंस और 90. 6 वंस प्लेस पे है, तो हम लिखेंगे 6 वंस और 6. समझ में आ रहा है? नोट डाउन कीजिए अपनी बुक में. और आज की डेट डालकर कॉपी कर लीजिए अपनी क्लास वर्क कॉपी में फ्रेश पेज पर. First part is 3615 and it is the example which is already given in the book. Now copy down part A. You have to copy like this. You don't have to copy whatever is given in the book. जैसा बुक में दिया वैसा कॉपी नहीं करना है, जैसा यहाँ कॉपी किया है वैसा कॉपी करना है. इसके बाद पार्ट कॉपी कीजिए. राइट हैंड साइड से वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड 1000 लिख दीजिए. Now 6 is at the 1000 place, so we write 6000 plus 2 is at the hundreds place, so we write 200. 4 is at the tens place, so we write plus 4 tens, plus 2 is at the ones place, so we write 2 ones. Or we can write like this: 6000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 2. Okay. Now copy down C part. What is the C part? 8374. With the help of colored pencil, write ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So here we have 8 is at the 1000 place, so we write 8000, plus 3 is at the 100 place, so we write 300, plus 7 is at the tens place, so we write 7 tens, plus 4 is at the ones place, so we write 4 ones. Okay. Or we can write like this: 8 is at the 1000 place, 8 and 3 digits are there, so we write 30, plus 300 plus 70 plus 4. Okay. Now copy down D part. What is this D part? We write ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 9 is at the 1000 place, so we write 9000, plus 8 is at the 100 place, so we write 800, plus 1 is at the tens place, so we write 1 tens, and 2 is at the ones place, so we write 2 ones. Okay. Or we write 9000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 2. Okay. Now leave one line and copy down part E number. We write ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So 5 is at the 1000 place, plus 4 is at the 100 place, plus 9 is at the tens place, plus 6 is at the ones place. So we write 5000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 6. Okay. Note down in your classwork copy in a very neat and clean handwriting. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.